So I just stumbled upon this toolkit called Moonshine Voice, and it's all about real-time voice applications. Have you heard of it?
No, I haven't. But real-time voice applications sound intriguing. What makes Moonshine stand out?
For starters, everything runs on device, so there's no need for accounts, credit cards, or APIs, which is pretty refreshing, right?
Wait, seriously. That's unexpected. It's like having your own voice assistant without the hassle of cloud computing.
Exactly, and it's optimized for live streaming applications, meaning low latency responses while you're still talking.
That's interesting. But doesn't that assume the hardware can handle it? What if someone has a low-end device?
Great point, they actually offer tiny models optimized for constrained deployments. It's like having options depending on your device's power.
That's pretty clever. But how does it compare to something like Whisper? I know that's a popular framework.
Here's where it gets juicy. Moonshine outperforms Whisper when it comes to live speech, like significantly lower latency.
Wow, really? I always thought Whisper was the gold standard. What's the catch?
Well, Whisper has a fixed 30-second input window, which is kinda limiting for real-time interactions. Moonshine's flexible.
So it can handle shorter phrases and respond quicker. That's a game changer for voice interfaces.
Exactly, plus it caches input to avoid redundant processing, which is a huge improvement for responsiveness.
Caching sounds smart, but does that mean it might miss some nuances in speech?
That's a good question. They emphasize low error rates, especially with specialized language models for better accuracy.
What kind of languages are we talking about? I assume it's more than just English.
Definitely, they support languages like Arabic, Japanese, Korean, and Spanish, but performance varies, especially with non-Latin scripts.
That's a big deal for global applications. But I wonder how they ensure accuracy across all those languages.
They train language-specific models, which seems to yield much better results than a one-size-fits-all approach.
That makes sense. It's like how specialized diets work better. Targeted approaches yield better results.
Right, and speaking of targeted, Moonshine can be integrated into various platforms, from iOS to Raspberry Pi.
Raspberry Pi. Now that's impressive. It opens up a lot of possibilities for DIY projects.
Totally, you can build your own voice applications without needing tons of resources. It's democratizing access.
But I wonder about the learning curve. Is it easy to get started for those new to voice tech?
They made it user-friendly. With high-level APIs, even those without expertise can start building quickly.
That's refreshing. It's like they're saying, don't worry, we've got you covered.
Exactly, plus they provide examples for different platforms, making it easier to dive in.
Speaking of diving in, what about debugging? Is there support for that?
Yes, they have logging options that help you track down issues if something goes wrong.
That's crucial. It sounds like they really thought through the developer experience.
For sure, and they're gathering community feedback to continuously improve. It feels collaborative.
I like that. So in conclusion, Moonshine seems like a serious contender for anyone interested in voice tech.
Absolutely, it's fast, flexible, and accessible. I'm curious to see how it evolves.
Me too, and it's great that they offer such a wide language range. That could really change the game.
Right? It opens doors for so many applications. Imagine a voice assistant that truly understands your language.
That would be revolutionary. I wonder how long before we see more widespread adoption.
Hopefully soon, the potential for innovation here is massive.
Definitely. I'm excited to see what projects come out of this.
And I'm looking forward to more surprises in the realm of voice tech.
Same here. It's a thrilling time to be exploring technology.
Absolutely, let's keep an eye on Moonshine and see how it progresses.
For sure, I'll be following their updates closely.
All right then, until next time, keep exploring.
You too, let's catch up soon.